Hello everyone, welcome back to Weather HQ. Today's video, we are going to be going over 3 unusual things that I have noticed about June 2021's weather. Starting with the historic heat wave that's currently ongoing in the northwestern United States. So as you can see with this article here, historic northwest heat wave could shatter all-time records in Washington, Oregon, including Seattle and Portland. So let's go through this article here. We're just going to go through the pictures, and you see excessive heat warning for the entire state of Washington and Oregon. I'm not sure if that's ever happened before. I might have to go research that because that's incredible. Um, so let's continue. As you can see, look at these temperatures here. This is hot for any part of the country, but this is extremely hot for this area. People in Arizona will look at this go, meh. But this part of the world, look at Seattle, 99 degrees Saturday, 105, 110 on Monday. Portland, 113 on Sunday. Salem, Oregon, 115. Eugene, not sure where that's at, but it's 113 degrees. And Medford, also 113. They stay in the hundreds here. This is feels so bad. And a lot of these places don't have air conditioning too, so this is just horrible. And also some more cities here, you know, most of these areas stay around or above 100 degrees well through the middle of next week here. And this heat wave does not show any signs of letting up soon. So I just feel really bad for this area here. If you don't have air conditioner, please invest in one. You probably already have. And I can see a lot of blackouts happening because they're not used to having to run air conditioners like this. The second thing that I've noticed this June is larger than usual storms. So let me show you what I mean. Okay, so this little flood threat that's going on in the middle of the country right now. More or less a threat than it is an actual ongoing flood, but these storms are unusually strong for this time of year. These storms should be fairly weak, but as you can see, they're putting out good bouts of rain. Like, we're gonna go forward in time here. This right here in the Midwest, I'm highlighting it. That generally is a storm like that is generally what we see in the summertime. You see, you got a cold front here, the thunderstorms, warm front. But no, we are seeing large storms. In fact, we go back just a couple of days ago. We had a really strong storm that went up into Canada. This wasn't it. This was it right here. And you can see, look at this. There's a little bit of snow. The little stripe of blue here. There was snow. And 986, that's really strong any time of the year, but that is extremely strong for June. So that's another thing I've noticed about June's weather. Let's take a look at the third thing. The third thing is the tropical cyclone's origins. There are already tropical waves, which are areas of low pressure, clusters of thunderstorms that could organize or they could dissipate. This is what we watch, but anyway. So my point here is that they're coming off of Africa already. You're like, well, it's hurricane season. Isn't that what they're supposed to do? Not in the middle of June. They're not supposed to do this until later July. In fact, I'll prove it. So as you can see here, here's in May. Not many origins here. Most of them are close to home. Let's go forward in time. Here we are. This is the where we're at now, June 21st to the 30th. Only one storm on record has formed all the way out here. There's currently an area to watch. Uh, I think Invest 95L or 94L off the coast of Africa, and it's taking a similar track to this one you see sticking out here in the ocean. But yeah, it's not early July. You see a few more mid-July, and then you really see a lot as we head into later July and especially August and September. So yeah, this is unusually early here. In fact, so much so there's warning meteorologists about the latter parts of hurricane season because um, like it's too early, and if we're already seeing waves come off Africa now, just imagine later in the season when the waters are warmer and the conditions are more favorable. That's gonna be that could be quite devastating for not even just the United States, but the Caribbean, South America, Mexico, Central America, all these areas. So I wanted to look at this. Here we go. Okay, I thought I lost for a second. But anyway, yeah, you can see the tropical origins here. Here's June. They're usually close at home. And also in July, they're a little bit farther out there in the ocean, but still very fairly close to home. And in August, you see that they're like, there's a really large area development here. And especially September. October quiets down a little bit, but there's still a large area more towards the western part of the Atlantic. And then November, it's just this little area for the most part. So that's the video today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, leave your feedback below. Let me know what you'd like to see improved. Let me know what else you'd like to see on this channel or things that could be done differently. I guess that's all kind of the same thing, right? All right, so I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.